You just finished having foundation repairs done on your home. Now you're feeling buyer's remorse set in because you're looking around and nothing changed. Everything is the exact same it was before the repairs. And you're wondering, why did you do these repairs? The real question you're asking yourself right now is, why doesn't my home look different after investing all this money in the repairs? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we have been repairing foundations in the Brazos Valley for the past 40 years and can truly understand that if you're not seeing anything change to the eye, that you feel like you may have wasted a lot of money. So to answer your question, why your house doesn't look different after doing foundation repairs could come down to a couple of things. Number one, the scope of work. Maybe the foundation repair contractor was going for more of just pure stabilization, which means the home's elevation stayed the same and nothing was done to correct any of the settled areas, which is going to lend itself to not providing any visible changes occurring in the house. Of course, any trustworthy contractor should be explaining what the process is going to be, whether they're going to be stabilizing, whether they're going to be lifting. Those things should always be explained before starting any repair job, but maybe it just comes down to a simple scope of work thing. Number two, maybe the house didn't respond as you originally thought it would at time of inspection. Every house is going to respond differently to being raised and stabilized, where maybe we're expecting a crack to close on the inside and it didn't move at all. These things can happen as a result of foundation repair. And like I said earlier, any contractor should be openly explaining these things, that, hey, sometimes these cracks don't shift and close and others may completely close up all the way. A lot of these things are going to be cosmetic, and a lot of foundation repair contractors are not going to address cosmetic things on the interior of your home. Some might, but I know most don't. And then if it's an exterior crack, here at Anchor we do tuck point those, but that may not be the case for the contractor that y'all may have used. It all depends on which contractor you're using and how the house responded to being raised and stabilized, and why you're not seeing any changes that happen after foundation repairs. What should you as a homeowner be doing from here? We're always going to encourage, even after having foundation repairs done, to keep a watchful eye on the typical signs and symptoms showing up again after having foundation repairs done. Maybe little shifts and things can happen after having foundation repairs done, but if you're starting to see door problems, diagonal cracks, separations start to return after having foundation repair done, it could mean the problem maybe wasn't originally dressed. Did the repair work the first time, or do you need new piers put in? Or maybe it's time for an adjustment. So always good to keep a watchful eye on those things and contact your contractor to see if they have a warranty that may cover some adjustments to fix those areas. Keeping the eye out for those things is going to help you have peace of mind as a homeowner and knowing if you're going to be needing additional repairs done on your home. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about this topic, we're going to put a link down below in the description that'll explain this a bit more in depth and help reassure you as a homeowner if you've had foundation repairs done on your house, and some things to keep an eye out for.